In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a payment method on Google Play. So once you're on the Google Play Store, you want to make sure that you're logged into the correct account. And you do that by tapping on your little profile picture there on the right of the top of the screen. And then you select the account that you want. Then you click on the three horizontal lines on the left. Now what you want to do is tap on payment methods, and you will see that you have a couple of options here where it says add payment method. You can either add a credit or debit card, use your cell phone billing, or redeem a code. So probably the most common one is to add a debit or credit card, so you would tap on that. Then you would fill in the details of your card and then click save. So that is how you add a payment method on Google Play. So if you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.